Bring her to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Well, I'm
The skirt they what she have on. Can't see you want a man on a girl road in that.
What's a red flag for you?
friendly man,
You know,
girls man. Love that, love that, love that, love that too. Yeah. Wow, that become different.
Time she a walk, you see all her ass cheeks them up red out, man.
used to that.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, at the next pop the balloon I find love. Hola, but you ready? Yo, I love the energy. You see me there, all our people. I'm touring Jamaica, okay? Remember, Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth next weekend, one on a Saturday and one on a Sunday, okay? Link me up on my Instagram if you're interested. For the all our people, them who well want the video, all our, I tell you, I feel a way when a girl walk out and you don't like her, what you do? Pop your balloon, is it? When you like her, what you do? But when you don't like her, what you do? When you like her, what you do? Yo, watching the man. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Love and love alone. Everybody who support, I love you guys, okay? Got a night like all the time, chips. Banana chip. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, watching the people before we go into the video, I want to give you a hug. Please, like, I can't hug you. I'm going to miss you. You see it? Yo, thank you so much. And I'm not lie. I must apologize for the man them. You see it? About 5 hours on our wait. Only because the whole Harbour girl them said them they round the corner and the corner they up the road pan a hill, round the corner pan a blue building. You see it? So I'm sorry about that. You see me, G? I'm not lie because them there wait. The man them reach early. You see it? But the whole Harbour girl them. I don't know on the son want it in on the town, but I don't know. I stress out. I tell you. What's on the G them? On ready? Yeah. On ready? Yo, Jano, you see the energy, bro? Alright, watch you now. Just wait until she reach right here. So you see it. Make sure you introduce herself. See it? Bring her to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Well, I'm Tish.
Tish.
Yes.
What type of job do you do, Tish?
Well, I do the cash bar work and I'm also a bartender.
Oh, alright then. And when it comes on to a male though, what's your type though?
Alright, my type basically someone that is basically determined, lazy, slacky, and all of that shit.
Slacky.
Yeah.
What that mean?
Slacky meaning like you lose, like basically every girl you see, you flirt with.
Okay. You're not like a flirt.
Yeah.
And what's like a red flag for you?
The red flag for me, lazy and the partying and all of that shit. I do party, but if you go out every day and I spend your money and then buy a man and you're hungry, nah.
You're not like a party man.
Yeah.
Alright then. What's your perfect date though? What's like an ideal date? First date?
A picnic on the beach.
Yeah. You gotten that before?
Yeah.
Oh, alright then. So when it comes down to like a male though, like what's the job of a male?
The job of a male for me, honestly, as long as you're making the income honestly for me, yeah, I don't have a problem.
Oh, once a male is making.
Yeah, we work with him. All if we work with him from nothing to something.
Once him get that income.
Yeah.
Alright then. Shout out a social.
Alright, I don't use Instagram, but my TikTok is Detarge's mommy.
Alright, so only thing though, we don't got a pub. So it's good for you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So it's
I feel hurt.
all right then. All right then. All right then. Let me rephrase that. We got one pop. We're gonna find out why him pop the balloon. All right. All right. Let's go. Okay. Follow me. You. Right, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon, and your social?
I'm King24, and my IG is KYNGX dot underscore. So the reason why I pop my balloon is just I don't really rock with the outfit. That's all. There's no problem there any at all with you, how you look or anything. It's just yeah, just don't rock with the outfit.
Wait, when I say rock with, what you mean?
It's like the way how I was grown, it's just not what I would like to see my person attired in. It's just not real vibe.
All right then. And it's just the outfit is the problem?
Just the outfit, really. And like if she would actually wear that on the road, it's like I kind of don't really trust the judgment overall in like going out and whatever.
All right then. Based on her appearance though, how much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
Like uh, say a 7.
7.
Mm.
Is she a type though?
Uh, uh, Not really, you know. Just being honest, not really.
All right then. All right. Based on what he said, what do you think about what him say?
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Yeah. Based on his appearance though, how much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
Oh. And 6.
6 out of 10? Why 6?
Me judge off what me see.
And what you say?
A 6 out of 10.
Okay.
Is he a type though?
Nah.
Why? Why is not your type?
No, but you're blushing right now. What?
Oh, is she blushing?
No.
Oh.
Just not my type.
All right then. Bless.
Bless.
All right. All right. We got one more pop. You. All right. Right here, sir. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
My name is Adventurous Living on YouTube and TikTok. Adventurous Lifestyle on Instagram. So for me, the main reason me pop is because me personally, I don't like a female who come to a dating show and wearing such revealing clothing. For me, that's my personal. All right. So therefore, that's why I pop my balloon. But there's nothing wrong with you. You're a very beautiful female, and I'll give you a 7 out of 10. That's the reason why I pop.
But you kept your balloon all along though.
Yeah, but then when she go talk to the next person now, then
Oh, like-
that's it, right with me.
Or like when you pass.
Because with a pass, if say you is a one-time thing, and we can maybe work on it in the future. But mid the year, saying you got flirt to a person with the year, so that's not me.
Oh, you think she flirt?
Even though you go but talk to him about that. All right, but as I said, you're a very beautiful female, but we just don't like the idea of that.
I give her a 7 out of 10.
You're a similar thing.
Is she a type though?
Not really, but could work with it though, because me not really discriminate or about me work with it.
I don't understand. You work with it?
If she was not wearing such revealing clothing and that, all right,
All right.
cool.
Based on his appearance and what him say, what you think about it?
And we say again?
Him say, him will work with it. He work with you, but the moment you pause, him say your clothes revealing and you flirt with somebody else.
That is understandable. And as I'm saying, in the future, things can change. So, you can basically judge a person just because they see them look or about, yeah.
True. And based on his appearance, how much should I rate him?
Give him an 8.
8 out of 10? What you like about him?
Well, everything on him match him now look like rainbow, so yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is he a type?
I would say yes and I would say no.
And yes and no, why?
I me like tall man, yeah. I give up.
All right. But you say yes, well, what is the no?
Too slim.
Well, understandable. Understandable.
All right.
So yeah, thanks.
Yeah. All right, so go down to the side here. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Chad, DXNDRE __ på Instagram. Pop my balloon because session like short, man.
And you,
Yeah, me short.
oh, you're short. All right. And what you think about our appearance? How much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
The gear I 8.
Why 8?
Can't go on, but too much revealing, you know?
Like,
Can't work with.
like what revealing to you?
Run our back.
Like our back.
No, man. We just don't want to see on the camera.
Oh, our back revealing.
Call this up. Yeah.
Oh, so you see our backbone too much.
No backbone, but run our back.
You not like that, you know.
Not like that.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
8 me gear, man.
8. What do you think about what I'm say though?
Oh, Jesus. Well, yeah, have a point on the old man like short man thing. You get what me I say? But when me never mention I also like my teddy bears. But in popping balloons, so God go with him.
Like teddy bear, like.
Yeah. You have tall man with a teddy bear too.
No,
So,
me not all.
one.
Oh, but teddy bear like him.
Yeah. Me never say me not like fat. Well, him not fat, but yeah.
Oh, so you say him would have basically be a type?
Yeah.
Then back a balloon.
You want back a balloon?
Yeah, man. Can't see what I'm going.
All right, give him back a balloon, all right? Yeah? All right. Turn to this side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
One puzzle pan ya man, you don't know say a puzzle. That underscore them pan the gram pan the TikTok.
Why you pop your balloon?
She said the dog too skinny. Me a skinny man.
Oh, so just because him too slim.
Yeah, and the skirt they what she have on. Can't say you want a man and a girl road in that.
What you mean by that? Like, she comfortable in what she have on?
Short man. She a walk here see everything.
You see everything?
Nah look.
Eh?
Nah look.
So what you say, you see everything.
Based off how you dog them a say.
Oh, so basically, them a say it and you a say it.
No. One time she a walk here see all her ass cheeks them a spread out man.
You see that? How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8.
8 out of 10. Oh, she's a type? Is she a type though?
Yeah man.
But I just there.
Appearance, is it the way she dress. And she not like skinny man, I'm skinny, you know.
What do you think about what him have to say and based on him appearance?
Honestly, me not have much to say about him say, honestly. But
Alright.
him appearance, give him a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 6?
Just the 6. Me just like give him the 6.
Him just look like a 6?
Yeah.
6 is real man.
Alright, alright. We got some pups coming down to this side. Give him back a balloon here. Right, so. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
My name Robin is me and you can find me on the TikTok as Mr. Robin.
Alright. Why you pop your balloon, Robin?
I just know my cup of tea.
Your what?
Cup of tea.
And your cup of tea? Or like, what type of tea is she?
She give me one of them bush tea vibes there.
And you know, like bush tea.
Prefer Milo.
You prefer Milo? Alright. Based on her appearance though, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7.
7 good.
Mm-hmm.
What you like about her though?
I like a little piece in on the top of sun, Look how yeah, you're chanting.
Alright.
Mm.
What do you think about him and based on him appearance? How much did I rate him?
My friends, I'm gonna give him a 5 in appearance.
5. Why? 5. Why you give him a 5?
No disrespect, but that your ear.
No man, your hairstyle good just to see you, man. You see me? Just me choose to rock it so man.
One team
hairstyle
here.
just not giving.
Warm to me hairstyle.
Alright, maybe if you put on a Atara Tamar kind of job, but the ear would have look a little better for me.
But good man, you see me? I just saw me choose to rock it, you see?
Also, basically, him ear show you off.
Yeah,
So I'm ear the problem.
yeah.
And you give him a 5 because I'm here.
That good man, you work with that.
Good?
Mm.
Alright. Come down to this side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Official old girl thief, 6. Yeah. Why I'm popping balloon? Does she like teddy bear? It's true me and teddy bear my chest flat, you know, plyboard. I saw my chest flat. Yeah, that's why I'm popping my balloon. But she can't go on still. Yeah.
Oh, because she like teddy bear and
True my chest flat like plyboard. Yeah, man.
and how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Boy. I give her a 6 now, cause 6 is real, you see me?
6?
Yeah, 6 is real, man. You know 6.
Alright, why you give her 6 though?
Yeah, cause 6 is real. You see me?
No, what the reason like why you rate her 6?
As what I say, on the my type, you see me? Yeah. I like all that woman, you see me? Yeah. But she go and go and still, you see me? Yeah.
And her appearance I say 6.
Yeah, yeah.
What you think about him have to say and based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Give man 16 appearance. And what I'm saying is if for me, that make no sense. Yeah, I say I like teddy bear, yeah, I say I like tall man. But at the end of the day, you're average height. You might not fat, you might not
But-
maga,
no,
but you're
but the point
listen
is-
to me no me attack.
Alright, now listen. Good listener, good learner. Yeah.
You're not slim, you're not maga. Not because I like my teddy bear.
Yeah.
Mean to say I not go like a man with medium height and thick.
But I'm not thick.
You're not maga. So yeah,
Also basically him average.
yeah.
Him could have passed for a teddy bear.
Well, not a full size teddy bear, but
Oh, but a hand size.
yeah.
Okay, okay, I understand. How much did I rate him?
I give him back a 6.
6.
Yeah, man, 6 is real, man. I believe them, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
This side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, on Instagram, I know Derek Exquisite, Derek underscore that X underscore that quizit. On TikTok, cool it too cool, you know you go. Code. Yeah.
Why you pop your balloon?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Can hold the mic?
Me there.
Oh, alright, so I pop my balloon, basically, because when she said, tall man, let me put the balloon for me, you know, I said, me a leap. But she said, she like teddy bear, really. Look for me. She said, you my thick man, what she gonna say about me? I didn't even think no flat like me. But me, the thing what she said, I'm tell her what she said when we rate her about. She said she have one pitney. What you pitney say?
I'm here.
And them how much?
2,
Yeah, them thing them like about. And you have money how much?
18.
Yeah, me like young mother. Them thing them like them.
You're like a young mother.
Yeah, them motivate me, especially when I'm at work, take care of them kids. But me could go through and know say, me not have what you want. Come in have a thick teddy bear size and so. But when she said tall man, me feel like me there lead still and so. Empty if me answer still, you know, but we not saying nothing. I want Nigeria machine. Oh, you can big up my bar down. Big up Glaman Cuts, Juicy Beef, and big up my bar hairdresser, Alien hairdresser, you know, badness.
And how much did I rate her?
Yeah, but I rate her 8 because guess what? Me not watch it close because me know say gradually if me and her talk, that should have to change. Because I tell her what me like and what me not like. Understand?
Oh, she can't wear that.
No, me not gonna say she can't wear that, but maybe could wear that, yeah, but because it show everything. Why and me not like that. But
So she can't wear this.
No, because if she turn around now, me I see it. And Ray.
If she turn around now, you'll see.
Turn,
Oh,
let me sure. Turn. Oh, she don't want that, but me rate her say she have a pretty smile, look how girl nice. But me just nah what she want. She don't know.
All right. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
What I think about him, him can go on, him tall, yeah, but as him say, him under the average type or the teddy bear. But yeah.
So basically, as he like a tall teddy bear.
Me not have that.
Call so.
Me not have that. Me not have that.
Okay. All right.
Back my balloon then. Yeah.
How much did I rate him?
But I give him a 5.
Why 5?
No disrespect. The stain on your shirt, darling.
No. Let me talk to you. Say. Me can blame issue. Me not say me blame rolling. Me blame issue. A 5 hour yeah wait.
Because of females from all over.
Just say me not blame you. You hear me? But that good still, you know, we take that shirt, wash it.
Oh, yeah, same. The what? The
Stain, yeah.
Me didn't like
No
it either, but
disrespect.
me have to work with
Yeah.
what me I gotta do.
Oh, so I'm basically must say, what?
A food, you know, me have to buy one food, can be there 5 hour wait. You understand?
Yeah, so he must say, but you're saying I like,
Yeah.
you kind of have OD, something, wait name?
OCD.
Yeah, have that. Okay, saying I like staying.
Yeah, clean free.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. Cause me not like it neither. Me not do it. But me not insecure.
All right, so we got just one male left within balloon. All right, basically, what we have right now, you get back a balloon, right? So you have a chance to ask her a question and get to know her, right? Good? All right. Ready? All right, then.
I really want question still, but she look like she miserable. I wish I talked to you last dog a while ago. Yeah.
Oh, so your question is?
She miserable.
Oh, it's a statement.
Yeah, but the question, you're miserable.
Bad.
Never go pop again, dog. I swear.
Why?
Really miserable. Me know miserable more
But
than
if you
her.
not give me something for miserable, for me not go miserable.
Oh, you go get it. Trust me. Yeah, I get it.
So basically, yeah, sister, she miserable.
Yeah.
And you're saying I like,
Me not know. Too miserable can.
oh, you
Me
miserable.
not too miserable,
not
darling.
too
Me
miserable.
but me not too miserable. There's a difference.
She look like she love cuss too.
No.
You know, of course.
Mm-mm.
And you tell the dogs ever shut up. Yeah,
That I no love course. Me no love course.
yeah, demanding then.
No.
But you tell the dog to shut up like, your son and your, you know, tell him to shut up. Make you talk.
But no. Me not demanding.
That's the answer.
You know, all right. So, what you want to do?
Now see what can go on.
All right, then. You're a chance now for asking my question, all right?
Alright, so what type of female are you basically looking for? Like, what you look for in a female?
It's a man who say me love company, you know. So me like when they always available for that my place and them really.
Yeah.
You like company.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to tell her, so the type of female you like always there around you.
Yeah. It's still
Can
have our thing I go out see him, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Can work with that.
Can work with that?
Yeah.
All right, so back to you right now. More to find out if there's a chemistry, my G. So you got to ask some intense question. So you have 3 questions for ask, all right? Go ahead.
How much?
21.
While you think, you go with your question, you have 3 questions for ask him. What's the question for him?
Honestly, me don't even know. Me I think about no question of the day.
I just forget to know him, like what type of person is he, before we find out if it's a match or not.
Yeah, are you like a family type of person or nah?
Yeah.
Your turn.
No more see him.
You know, want to ask her no question forget for know her?
I know her already still in everybody. Yeah.
You know her already?
Yeah, we used to go hard.
You remember him?
Yeah.
You go like you never remember the man while ago. Alright. So you know her like you know most things about her?
No most things about her personal life, but I know her how she flex and them way there.
Oh, you actually see her and see her around. You ever talked to her before?
Yeah.
So you know each other?
Yeah.
Friends are just
Friends, yeah.
You in a friend zone?
Mm-hmm.
You know.
You know.
Right, my G. All right. All right. So, any more question for him? For ask him? More see if there's a chemistry. More see it.
All right, so are you a person that is willing to try and basically try out new things, new ideas?
New we call new, when you say try new things, what do you mean?
All right, when I say new things, I mean like business ideas and so forth.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, man. Question?
Last one.
You really look for second with somebody now?
Honestly, yeah. Time short and all of that, so no make sense you run around with God and him 12 disciples. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Any more question from you? No? No question for you? You're good, Maji? Good.
Yeah, man.
All right. So me I gotta find out, right? Is it a match for you, Maji?
Yeah, man, you can't go on.
It's a no. Is that much for you?
Yeah, man.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, man.
Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yep.
We have a match?
Yep.
It's a match? We have a match? Oh, we have a match! Yeah! Yo! All right. Okay. All right, so before we go on, them say for mix it up a bit. You see me? I say, them in my comments, they're saying I should ask the male them. Them say for ask the male them for find out, right? Normally, I ask the female them if they want to risk love, for see if them can risk money for love right now. So I gotta ask the man, right? My G, you have a chance for win up to 100,000 right now if you can risk it. Are you willing to risk it for win 100,000 right now?
No.
Eh?
No.
No. So we have a match then. You want to risk it all?
No.
So we have a match! All right, so people, first of all, just because you choose not to risk love, we got something cute for you from Salvio. This is for you. I don't know what it is. I would like you to just owe me a little bit. May the people them see say the good thing them will give people on this pop the balloon. Yeah? All right, so just do a little sneak peek. What you see?
I like it. My favorite color.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so big up Salvio.
Big up Salvio.
Link in the description, people. You don't know the chips. Walk with grace for me, please. Yeah! Yo! Yeah! Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. All right, wait until she retry to say. Please. My G does a smile. Come to this side. Hi.
Hi, Rolly.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Bougie.
Oh, bougie. All right. What type of job do you do and your age?
I'm actually an entrepreneur, so I have multiple jobs. I'm 33.
Okay. Entrepreneur.
Ooh! Jesus Christ.
Okay. All right. All right. What's your type though?
My type, God-fearing,
Mm-hmm.
healed,
All right.
smart,
Yeah.
funny,
Yeah.
and all around just a nice guy.
Nice guy. Okay. All right. And what's like your ideal first date though?
Ideal first date, dinner is cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, dinner.
Yeah.
Just a dinner date?
Dinner date, yeah.
Okay. All right. And what's a red flag?
Oh, God. Red flag,
Yeah.
bad communication.
Bad texter.
Yeah, bad texting,
Okay.
no calls, ghosting.
Ghosting.
Yeah.
All right. And any more?
I have a lot, so
Oh, you have a lot?
yeah,
Oh, you got. Do you have a list of the perfect guy though?
maybe.
Woo.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I wanted to show to the social.
I don't get paid enough for this on Instagram and TikTok and Cosmoholics Anonymous on YouTube.
Oh, that's the business.
No, the business is Salvio's. www.salvio.studio.
Oh, that's from your business?
Yes.
Oh, all right. Oh, bougie. Okay. All right, so we got some pops, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, all right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Start with right here. Start with right here first. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
All right, my name is Adventurous Living on YouTube and Adventurous Living on TikTok. And yeah, so the reason why I popped my balloon is at first I was gonna pass the fact that you're wearing such revealing clothing, but then when you said you have a list of a perfect guy, which in my case I don't believe there's a perfect guy.
Okay.
There's always room for improvement. So because of that now, I mean I think I'm a perfect guy, so that's why I popped my balloon.
All right.
But you're a very beautiful lady overall.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But the first thing was the outfit.
Outfit and then the list. that
So
goes
if
on.
we wear a skirt down to my foot?
No, not like your knees all right for me, and your knees all right, but like it's all the way for thighs, and I don't really like that.
All right.
If me or a female, me speak to you, the female is supposed to wear proper clothing, especially on a dating show. You don't need to wear revealing clothing, man like you. That's just my opinion.
Yeah.
And you're saying a proper clothes supposed to have length.
Have little length to it,
All
man.
right.
Not too long, you know, but
Yeah.
and not too short
I
either. But
understand.
yeah,
Yeah.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
No, can't take back. Give her 8. Give her 8.
8.
Yeah.
And what you like about her apart from?
Alright, I like her smile first off, and her eyes are very pretty. Alright? And the shoes I give vibe. Like the shoes.
All right. What do you think about him and what him have to say?
Him clean, nice. Yeah.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him the same. Yeah.
8 or 7.
All right. 7.5.
Alright.
Is he a type though?
No, he's not. And he looks young. Yeah.
How old do I look to you? How old do I look?
You look like you're in your 20s.
I'm in my 20s, yeah, but
Yeah. You didn't hear how old I was?
yeah, there's nothing wrong with an older woman.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot you can teach me, and that I can teach you at the same time.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Huh?
alright. No problem.
Okay. All right. Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I'm King. The reason why I pop my balloon is just the age for me. I'm 24, and you know there's almost a 10-year age difference. You know, it's definitely not carrying home to mom. You know, any of that. Yeah.
Oh, you're saying the vibe is not giving her the vibe for carry her home to your mom?
No,
I'm
it's
too
just
old.
like, just
Yeah.
the age. You know, the age difference. Like, I live by myself. Don't get me wrong or anything like that. It's just like when I'm going to present her to parents. You know, because you have to have that. So it's just the age difference would be.
All right, so all right, you bringing her home though, what you think your parents would say because based on her age though? Why that's a big concern?
They'll just say that it's the kids thing, and then it's just like different places. in
Kids
life.
thing?
Yeah, like when you're over a certain age.
Oh, I already have kids, so
Yeah.
don't worry about that.
Yeah,
but
but
yeah,
I
it
don't-
wasn't. Yeah,
Mhm.
we're good.
All right.
Otherwise, stunning. She looks
Thank
beautiful,
you.
especially age and everything. She's more my type, but it's just there's the age right there.
And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Definitely an 8.
8.
Thank you.
All right, what you think about what him have to say?
I agree. Yeah, he's too young. Ooh, he's too young for me. Too young for me, and yeah, he's not my type. Yeah.
Which one?
What do you mean, which one?
Like which one more stand out?
Age.
Age.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Why 8?
He's nice. Yeah. Just not my type.
Good.
Yeah, man, that's good.
All right. Come down to right here. Yep. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Puzzle. As she say, she not like young man. Me young. Just that alone. Everything alright, is it?
She said she not like young man?
Yeah. And me young, is it? Just that.
Oh, too young or young?
Me young. She.
He looks young, yeah.
All right. And based on her appearance though?
Yeah, a 9.
9. Why 9?
She look good.
Thank you.
What you like about her?
Dress nice and she pretty. Just one problem. That kind of short still. But otherwise from that.
Why are you guys obsessed
good.
with the shortness? I'm me, I wear it, not you.
One slip up on.
I'm wearing shorts, but okay.
Alright, that
Yeah.
even better.
Yeah.
Active, man.
Is she a type though?
Yeah. Definitely.
But all right, so you can ask her if like she'd a wave at the age thing though. Like if she's a type.
Me not think so. Me not think should I do that.
What you think about him based on him appearance?
He's cute, but you could tell he's young. Yeah.
And you know.
Mm-mm. Really, you know.
Oh, me, I'm gonna know. Oh,
You
let
say
me.
it already.
Oh, you say it.
Yeah.
Oh. All right then. Based on his appearance though, how much did I rate him?
A 7. Yeah.
Why 7?
He's a 7.
He's a 7?
Yeah.
Or you give him a 7 because he's a 7?
Yeah, like top to bottom appearance, dressing, 7 total. Mm-hmm.
Yeah? I come on to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name Mr. Robin on TikTok, is it me?
And why you pop your balloon?
And those are shoes.
Our shoes? One to our shoes.
It give me a rustling vibes like John Cena style, is it me? Just that. She look good and everything on, but her shoes. She could have really look cool. Shoe to or something, but just the shoes. Not like the shoes.
And you watch wrestling often?
Not really watch it often, but
Is
everybody
that what you
know.
said, wrestling?
But you not like our shoes? Is it that like it remind you of that? That's why? But it's a style.
Yeah, me know about my style.
Alright. What do you think about her appearance though?
She nice, she come out good and
But that is one thing.
shoes.
I think he knows I would have popped on him anyway. Yeah. I think he knows.
Alright. And what you say? Is she a type though? She's not a type? Why?
Yeah, she says she like older guys and kind of young, is it?
Alright. Okay, sorry. What do you think about his appearance and what him have to say?
His hair is distracting, but he's put together other than that. Yeah. Yeah.
So, my ear distracting now.
Is that a real question? It's distracting.
Oh.
My eyes just want to go to it, and it's
You
splitting
know, if
like
you look
this.
funny, baby girl.
You didn't have to look at my boots.
We have
Me no,
yours.
I'm not in the combative mood.
No,
I'm not.
no, do that, man.
Yeah.
Just be honest, isn't it?
Yeah, me too.
All right, that's
Yeah.
cool.
And yeah, same ear just distracting. And is it the ketchup or
Yeah.
it's not nothing else?
No.
Good. And you rate him how much?
7.
7. Yeah. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Official old girl thief 6. On Instagram and TikTok. Yeah. The reason why I'm pop my balloon, age. But age don't matter in a life, You have a young person with a older mindset. And you have a old person that young mindset. So age don't matter in a life. But just that my reason I'm pop my balloon, you see me?
Oh, because her age or your age?
No, she just says she not like young boy. You see me? But age don't matter in a life. Yeah. Definitely.
And you have to say about that. Is she a type though?
Yeah, definitely, man. Hold her and get a close range now. Believe me, man.
Close up?
No, close range now.
What that mean?
She said what it mean?
What that mean?
Yeah.
What you mean by a close range? Yeah.
Okay.
Do they do, you see me? Yeah.
Do they do? Hey, una talk. I don't know. You
Yeah,
pick up?
no,
I don't know.
sir.
I don't know.
You not pick up.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
You're a 9, Yeah, man. Yeah.
Thank you.
9. What you like about her?
Nothing enough for her. Just the age. As I say, just the age, yeah.
I just her problem with the age.
Yeah, age problem. Yeah.
Can you change that about her though?
Age?
Yeah, like her perspective. 'Cause as what you say, you could be a younger person with an older mindset.
Yeah, you can't judge a book by the cover, Definitely, you can't judge a book by the cover. Yeah. So, that I think, isn't it?
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
He's nice. Yeah,
What do you think about what him have to say?
I agree. He knows he's too young. That's it.
No, him say can't judge a book by cover.
Yeah, my mind's not gonna change on the age thing. So,
Why?
I'm cute.
Thanks. Why? Why your mind not gonna change?
It's just not. I like my men older.
But the point is, as I say already,
Mhm.
are we young in age, and your mindset old.
Okay.
Are we old in age, and your mindset young.
How old are you?
How old am I look like me?
You look like you're in your 24.
25.
You have children?
No kids.
Exactly. Right there. Right, that's not a problem.
So you're a person after have kids?
Yeah. Right, true.
So I look at Papa then.
No, because I have kids and I'm not having it anymore. Usually younger guys want an older woman to have kids for them, and me not do that. So
Why?
I'm done.
Why you done?
I have 3.
Sorry. So for a man want to work with the kids them. For a man want to work with the kids them.
What if he wants to work with them?
Yeah.
Like he doesn't mind that I have them?
Yeah.
Then that's fine, but he would have to have his own too.
Yeah. You have a point.
Yeah.
You have a point. This is silly, isn't it?
All right, so will you allow him to go outside and get his kids and come back?
Rolling, nobody asked me that. No. What would be the point? Then he should be with the baby mother, not me. I eat that thing that sir.
No. But most women, then they meet a man and they don't want to have no more kids.
Yeah.
Them send a man go out and get kids.
Well,
Yeah.
not
You
me.
see me? You
Not
look like
I
an
and I.
insecure, toxic, bad.
That's terrible. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
How much did I rate him again?
I give him a 9.
9.
Yeah.
Why 9?
He's handsome. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
All right. Come down to this side. All right, so the man them without a balloon, or I could grace for now, please. My G, go up to that side.
Dedicated.
He's what?
Dedicated.
He's dedicated.
Yeah.
Okay, all right then. All right, so it's up to 1 right now. My G, you're gonna state your name and ask her a question for get to know her, all right? Yeah? Hold on. Yeah, state your name and ask her a question for get to know her, yeah? Go ahead.
Direct Exquisite on Instagram, cool on TikTok. Yeah, so my question is, does the age really matter?
Yes, we just went over this.
No, you went over that with them. You understand? Me is a different person. Me I try to give myself a chance. I say, me can miss the opportunity and me I grab it. You understand me? Yeah, me like how she look. Me can get that down.
Eh?
We can get now. She like get now she already.
What you say?
No, I mean we can get our personality already. That I mean.
Oh, I think you say you want to get in what she wear.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
That's what I thought. I thought you wanted my boots.
Oh, me I say still. Mom's up on her brand, she a promote her thing. So she got something going, She can teach me the knowledge there and Ray. We can start something for myself. Basically, that me did I look for and she said she like church. Ooh, I love church. We go to church together, man. And she's a foodie, we can be a foodie together. That's all about me. So that me I give myself a chance. Me know she probably pop my balloon because I age. You understand what I mean? But me still I give myself a chance. So she have to tell me what she had.
All right, then. You get a chance to ask him a question for see if, you just get to know him one thing. What's the question for him?
Do you think you have good listening skills?
Very much. Me have a mother and she talk a lot. Sometimes I just have to sit down and listen. You understand? I've been listening, an argument favor same me. So either you're going to listen or you're going to listen.
So when I said my mind's not going to change on the age thing, would you rate that as good listening skills?
Yeah, good listen, but a bit of stubbornness,
Oh.
Nah, give up so easy in a roll, I think already, All right.
Dedicated, like I said.
Yeah.
All right. So that's the question. Any more question for her?
Is it a match?
It's not a match. But that's your question, Rolly.
He want to get straight to the point.
Yeah.
He want to find out.
Target.
He don't want me to it.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the only question you offer?
Basically.
All right, then. Me, I gotta ask my question, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a match for you?
It is not a match for me.
It's not a match for you?
No.
So you have to pop in balloon, yeah?
Okay.
Eh?
She just for my heart. But like her. You didn't even rate her. 9.
No, it's not gonna do. You know what I do? Alright, so basically what me gonna ask you right now is like why you kept your balloon all along?
Because as me say opportunity, you know, me as a person, me like growth. She look like a person who push her for growth. Yeah, so me see it. Basically that.
Alright, and how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
9, me one she need, but she just not see that.
You.
Yeah, tall, can't hide. Yeah, tall man in your life. But anyways, get to she now.
What do you think about him based on his appearance?
I give him a 7.5 as well. Yeah.
7.5.
Yeah.
Why 7?
He's not my type. Yeah. He's not my type. He's
Me I
funny
tell-
though. You got that one in the bag. Yeah.
Yeah. And why pop his balloon?
Because he's too young, he's not my type, and he don't listen.
No, I mean listen. But me listen to me is a where that's now. Me choose what me listen to.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And everything you have to pick out the negative and that and negative. Me I try bring in positive. Yeah.
So yeah, so you can change her mind from the age thing.
Yeah, well, basically, if she gets to know me, she have to change her mindset. She doesn't say she talk to a 50-year-old, you know, a young body.
Is that the age that you're looking for though?
40 plus, but not 50.
For
Old don't really matter. You never give her a limit.
And how old are you, sir?
20.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. I'm not robbing the cradle.
So have you ever spoke to a younger person before? To like
I tried to talk to 27-year-olds.
Okay.
A mess.
It was.
A mess.
Was a.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Try again.
No, sir. All right. I learned from my mistakes.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't do anything twice.
No, but would it be a mistake?
Jesus Christ.
Would that be a correction? You understand? Get into it.
All right. So it wasn't that much to them, G. Walk grace for me.
Thank you. You too.
Yo.
Easy enough.
Yo, oh my gosh. Like, all right, so you're saying that you don't be flexible with age.
No, not really.
All right.
Like my age and older, you know. Yeah.
No, me feel like one failure. Because it wasn't like, you know, oh my gosh. So you come out today, you want it that much, so you know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace, yeah? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
I'm Amanda. You can follow me on social media. I am just _Amanda_love. In TikTok, it's your girl _Amanda.
All right. Amanda, what type of work do you do?
So I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business. You can check it out on my page as well.
All right then. And when it comes to a male, though, what's your type?
Don't have a type.
You don't have a type?
Mhm. Tall, short, slim, anything. Fat, me no business.
Okay. All right. And what's one of your like a red flag? What's a red flag for you?
Friendly man.
You know.
Girls man. Love that. Love that. Love that. Love that too. Yeah. Wow. That they come different. Right.
You're like, oh, that's a red flag for you.
If you're friendly, me don't want you.
Okay.
Love that. Pop all of them.
All right. All right. And when it comes on to like a first date for you though, what's like your ideal first date?
Ideal first date. To be honest, me not picky. So
Yeah.
I don't go anywhere.
Anywhere.
No, not anywhere. Something where it will cost me like 20K and up. Yeah. Me not
You did then at Ochi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Believe.
Okay.
Believe.
Oh.
And listen, don't come at me because I'm dressing. I never come for this. Just
Alright.
like the last show, please.
All right. So we got some pops.
Mhm.
We're gonna find out why them pop the
Start from
balloon.
him.
Start from him.
Mhm.
All right then. Right here. Your name?
Yeah.
Why you pop your balloon?
Direct exquisite on Instagram, cool it too cool on TikTok.
Mhm.
Yeah, my pop the balloon. Yeah, how old? Yeah, how old?
26.
Oh yeah, 26. All right, so we are away on the show for 5 hours.
Mhm.
She said she not come for the show, however, she have to do better.
Mhm.
Because me look say because we are wait for 5 hours. However, she has said she not have a type. Me, you have to know where you want now, man. Because any man can take it from me.
Mhm.
You understand? And me young, so I just that.
Yeah, how much?
Me 19, soon 20.
Oh, Ross.
That me that.
Oh, so yeah, say any man I gotta take she away from
Really,
you?
I understand.
Then
Really.
if she not have a type, anything goes.
That I mean. Okay. What do you think about her appearance? How much should I rate if I want to tell?
Me not gonna rate her outfit, me rate her body. You know, she body structure good. And yeah.
Obviously.
Oh, her body, not her.
Yeah.
Not her outfit.
Me tell her say outfit is a starter pack because as she said she no come plan fish show, but
Right.
if you're not plan fish show, no company show. Cause we there unfair to us.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. How much I rate her?
But I give her 1.7 because she speak her truth and me I speak my truth.
Alright. What do you think about him?
Alright. Him alright. Him wouldn't get a 7 too. Reason being I want to stain that on your shirt. So that can't work. No disrespect.
No.
Right.
Well, and shut up. Yeah.
And to a white shirt. If you can't carry it, don't wear it.
Not about the care with you wait 5 hours. Literally 5
Oh,
hours.
so you mess up your shirt.
And
You know,
we never
space
have
of
no
5 hours?
seat. Oh, that's so.
Oh.
Yes, I basically
So how you
that.
get it stain?
Me buy one food and
And
I
you just
was
throw it on
standing to consume the food and
Oh.
the ketchup spill.
Oh.
Yes, I basically that. And
Really put on better glasses. Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
All right.
A ketchup stain.
A ketchup stain.
Not a curry, I know.
Well, curry gravy dip on one rice again and one rice green. Enough.
Still 7.
7 out of 10? Is he your type though?
Tall, dark, sure.
Good? If him approach you outside, like, would he have gotten your number?
No, I'm gonna give everybody my number.
Cap.
No, I swear on my life.
No, when me I tell her, me that talk your number on my phone.
Oh, that's crazy. Next.
Okay, alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Official old girl thief 6.
Same
Yeah.
shit.
The reason I'm pop my balloon,
Mm-hmm.
you just said something more friendly with girls.
Mm-hmm.
Why? We can't do both of one day. Girls just see me and just dry into me. You see me? Well, you know why? You just see me and so that's why I'm popping balloon. You see me?
But
Yeah.
that can consider as friendly anyway, so.
No. Me is a people's person.
Mm-hmm.
People you see me and just dry into me. I'm not
That's
like
not
say
a
me about
problem.
friend people,
Mm-hmm.
but I just that is it. You see me?
Oh, so basically I said that could have come off as friendly.
Yeah.
Because you talk to random people.
Yeah.
Because them approach you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I just say vibes. These are vibes this person. So people you see me and just dry into me. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Would have a problem anyways, but okay.
Yeah.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Nah, John, like, can you touch 360, please?
Mm-mm.
Why? Yeah, aye. Honestly,
Mm-hmm.
8. Yeah.
Yeah. What you like about her?
She is good and yeah.
Okay.
You see me? Yeah, she can go on. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is she a type though?
Definitely, yeah. I just say friendly thing, girls, yeah. I just that why I'm popping balloon. You understand? Yeah.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
7, same way. I'm a lucky number, so.
7 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. Him not that short, so him tall. I can look up on him, so it's cute.
Is he a type though?
Really, I say it's cute.
May I ask him if I... Okay.
Him could have been my type, really, maybe.
Okay.
In another life.
In
Next.
not this...
Ugly.
No, I say in the next life. That
In the
don't
next
mean
life, what do you
ugly.
mean by next life? Time is now. So you have to talk about now.
Mm-hmm.
You know what happened tomorrow?
Mm-mm.
Oh, so I know you have to talk about.
Right.
Just say I'm ugly, man.
No, you're not ugly.
Ugly like a goblin,
You're
man.
good for look, man.
Yeah. Me?
Mm-hmm. Once you don't look like the ground, me good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Take
So
me
take
a
your
sec.
7.
Yeah.
Right, next.
Well, and if him approach you outside, would he have gotten your number?
Same question, and me give him the same thing me tell.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
So you go.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
We name Mr. Robin on TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Why you pop your balloon?
That's the outfit, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the outfit. And based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
You're a 6.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
6, why 6? Apart from the outfit.
So 6. Mm-hmm.
Is she a type though? No? Like, alright, so if she like approach you and tell her say she like you, would it have been a match?
Love the honesty.
What you think about him based on
Him
him appearance?
alright, him dress alright, him shoes good, him pants good. I just the hairstyle that freaked me out. But everything else alright. No offense. I
Him
just
hairstyle?
it a give me the mistletoe vibes. I don't know.
What kind of vibes?
Never mind, but still. Him alright, you know, just the ear I give me a vibes, but him
So
alright.
you want to me here?
No, because it has stick it
What
next.
you mean stick?
Never mind. Just yeah, take a 7 though.
Alright.
Right, just yeah, leave it this.
Oh, so he's not your type?
No really.
He's not your type because him
We're
have,
on the same level too.
and him ear kind of make him tall. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good. Your name? Why pop your balloon?
So, before I start, real quick, can I talk to your fans for a second?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, talk to them.
Yeah. So, guys, check out me on YouTube at Adventurous Living. Same thing on TikTok, Adventurous Living. On Instagram, Adventurous Lifestyle. So, I want to go over there, people, and show some support with the content like outdoors. If you like outdoor content, people, trust me, I like it. Outdoor, sea, camping, everything, it's over there for you. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So, continue now.
Mhm.
Start off with the good. I like the facts here, independent,
Mm-hmm.
everything, isn't me? You have your own business, everything going on for you. But when me kind of find a fault with is where when I say you don't like friendly man. So me do YouTube, right? So me kind of streets and people just come up to me randomly and even females at that. So if you're there, you feel a way about it constantly.
Mm-mm.
But you just say you don't
But
like
no,
friendly.
because you say if you tell me, listen, you have to get to know somebody first. You say if you
True.
tell me, say you do YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
then I have no problem. Me not one of them crazy girl that will watch you with everything.
Okay.
Come out, don't want you to do that to me.
True, but
Right.
yeah, but you look good overall. I'm like a 7.
Mhm.
Like well, as I say, you never plan, but you still come out and look with everything, man. But that's the reason why me pop my balloon. All right.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, man.
What you think about him?
Really, me not gonna lie, still like, my only one which dress nice out of the whole lineup.
Thank you.
Not because me love blue or nothing, but no offense, but him actually come out. Him actually come out really. Yeah.
Oh.
Even though him in one blue, but me not kind of blue that. Kind of look so
Blue.
catching in my eye.
Big up designer same way. Alexi, bless yourself. And and check out Kieran Adventures on YouTube also.
I forgot check out film drip. No.
And basically, I like it because of blue.
Yes, really, and because him tall too. Like tall person.
How much
Once
it-
you know the on the same height.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Man get a 7 still, you know. I'm a lucky number.
Respect.
Mm-hmm.
If him approach you outside, like, you feel like him have a chance?
Oh no, him have a chance. Mm-hmm.
Love that, love that, love that.
Yeah.
So,
No,
him would I get a number?
Not the number, but Instagram. Mm-hmm.
Acceptable.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right, Maji. If I get her Instagram, what's the first thing you would do?
Like a date or just text.
No, that she give her Instagram. What you da do?
The bitch, she give me her Instagram. Just reach out to her, same way.
Mm-hmm.
Go and communicate with her, get to know her a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Then we see whether that text us after.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
We give ourselves from before, man.
Mm-hmm.
Or
This
the
is
same one.
7.
All right, then.
All right.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Puzzle. She are just normal type.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
And based on her appearance, what you think about it?
She shape nice. She alright. Just that's it.
Oh, she shape nice.
Mhm.
And she all right.
Mm-hmm.
But that's it?
Yes, really, that's it.
I'm gonna ask him. Just ask him.
Mm-hmm.
Because that over here, so? I'm not here sometime. You see?
Continue.
All right. Then. So, is she a type, though?
No.
Mm-hmm.
And why she's not a type?
She are just normal type.
Right.
What do you think about him?
Him nothing wrong with him, but him just look like my brother. Because my brother kind of half Chinese, so or whatever Indian, whatever look him I give. Yeah, my brother have them structure there. Yeah. But me go date him now. I might go look for my brother too hard and see him. Yeah, like.
Oh, like if you see me, that's your brother.
Mm-hmm. I can't do that.
Oh, you want Chinese?
My either Indian or something. I don't know. Cool him. I don't know which one I said.
Yeah,
I
what?
don't care.
Yeah, what?
Can't reveal that.
But I know say my something.
Oh, coolly.
Him a something though. Mm-hmm.
And how much did I rate him, though?
Him alright, you know. His shoes can give me advice, but you can see when I try to put together with it, you know, everything. Everything alright with him. Him can get a 6 still.
6, him not get the lucky number?
No. Mm-mm.
Because why?
Really, him not my type fully, you know. When you're too light in the face, I like a nice chocolate guy, you know. You know that chocolate to me. And the whatever that stick out your ear, that's so not cute. It's not cute. Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do this, sir. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
King. And the reason why I put my balloon is it's not because when she was speaking, she said a red flag was friendly and girly. It's not because of that. I was going to pop it before, but you know, it was just like everybody was popping. I was just like, okay. But the reason why I put my balloon is she's just not my type overall. Just, yeah.
All right. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like as is now, I'm not saying it can be better, but 5. 5 is average. Like
That's not bad.
most of the world is a 5. It's just
Most of the world?
Average.
Oh, everybody in the world is a 5.
No, not everybody, but the average of the world it has to be 5. Like everybody can't just be beautiful, then everybody would be average. So I mean, it's just logic.
And the average for you is 5.
The average for everybody is 5. It's just
Alright.
the facts of the matter.
All right. Is she a type though?
No.
No? All right. So if she approach you and tell her, say, like, she like you, if you like that initiative, would I get her to know you?
No, I would be friendly, but you know, just like courteous, but no, it wouldn't.
What do you think about him, based on his appearance?
You can go on. No, my cup of tea.
What,
You know, because we're on the same eye too.
what type of tea you
Maybe a
drink?
little bit, me take off the little bumper suppers here, but
Height is a big thing.
yeah, I like someone who can look up on.
Well,
You
if
know.
it's that, then it's
Yeah.
it's that, you know.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Fit wise or just him.
So overall, you can narrow it down.
Alright, so you can get a 5.5.
Average.
No problem.
Right. But I give you a 6, but as I said, not my type.
Yeah.
And you give him a 5.5 because?
Not my type. Nothing wrong with him, but just not my type.
Yeah?
Mhm.
All right, come down to this side. Okay.
Everybody pop them can walk with grace.
No.
Oh.
No, it wasn't that much today. You know what you have to do?
I know.
Walk with
Right
grace. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. People, big up on yourself. At the end of the video, I know now I wonder how the video so short. We have some female, but them did a shake and tremble. You see it? I don't know. A lot of times, I don't feel like say the video is about, you know, disrespectful and thing. No, we're here to find love. We're here to take 2 individual meeting for the first time and see if them have a chemistry. You see it? Big up everybody who been a support. For the people them who, if there's no drama in the video, they don't watch. I love the people them who dear one and just watch it because you love me. You see it? Big up on yourself. Olaba until never again. Because you want the video over Olaba, but you don't want Jesus. Can I get an amen? Yo, all right. What's that? Not give a final hug until we meet again. Remember, I'm telling you, bangers after bangers, Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. Next week, we have Saturday and we have Sunday. See it? See it right, sir? For be included in the video, just link me on my Instagram. Really so easy, okay? Link me because Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth on the Binner Axe feed. So me I give on it. Is it? Let's get a hug. On different hug that in a big up you see it? Got in that like all the time, chips.
This banana chips for you, make you crunch it, crunch it.
GCT forever and ever, we say goodbye.
Can them say my team of a boss? Can them say my team of a boss? Like, comment, subscribe.